How to set up Facebook Ads Manager fast. Welcome to our quick guide on setting up Facebook Ads Manager efficiently. If you're looking to boost your business's online presence, harnessing the power of Facebook ads is a great place to start. First, let's ensure you're equipped for success. If you haven't already, make sure you have a Facebook business account. This will serve as your foundation for creating and managing ads. If you don't have one, simply go to business.facebook.com and click on Create Account. Follow the prompts to input your business details. Once your business account is ready, navigate to the business settings. Here, you'll find the option to add your main assets, people, pages, and ad accounts. Link your Facebook page if you have one, or create a new page from this section. Connecting your page is crucial as it serves as the central hub for your ads. Before we continue, if you're finding this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments from which city you're watching. It really helps us reach more people who need this kind of content. With your page set up, it's time to create a Facebook pixel. This is a snippet of code that tracks conversions from your website, allowing you to measure the effectiveness of your ads. In the Events Manager, select Pixels and then Add. Follow the easy steps to install it on your website. Many website platforms offer integrated options for installing Facebook Pixel, making this step even faster. Next, access the Facebook Ads Manager through the Business Manager interface. Think of Ads Manager as your campaign control center. This is where you create, manage, and track your ad performance. Familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see 3 tabs: Campaigns, Ad Sets, and Ads. Understanding this structure will streamline your process. Before proceeding, set your currency and preferred time zone. In the Ads Manager settings, click on Billing to input or update these details. Setting them correctly aligns cost tracking with your expectations and ensures your reports are accurate. Now let's create your first campaign. Click Create to start. Choose your marketing objective based on your goals. The most common objectives include awareness, consideration, and conversion, each serving different business intentions. Set your campaign budget and scheduling options, determining how much you want to spend over what time frame. The budget can be set as daily or lifetime, depending on your strategy. As you move to the ad set level, define your target audience. Facebook allows you to create detailed audience profiles based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Precise targeting helps maximize your ad spend by reaching potential customers effectively. Then, select where your ads will appear. Automatic placements might be ideal for beginners. However, you can manually select platforms such as Instagram or Messenger, depending on your audience's preferences. Finally, it's time to design your ad. Upload compelling images or videos and write engaging ad copy that resonates with your audience. Remember, clear and concise messaging often performs best. Preview your ad to ensure it looks great across different placements. Once done, click Publish to submit your ad for review. Facebook usually takes a short time to review. You'll receive a notification if everything's set. And that's it. You've set up your Facebook Ads Manager fast and are ready to start reaching your audience. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips.